Welcome to Busan! Guys, we just arrived to Busan and unfortunately it's raining and it will rain for the next 2 days. But we don't give up because we have a new city to explore. This one, it will be my first Krispy Kreme donuts. I'm very excited to taste it and I didn't think to find the Krispy Kreme here in Busan. This is how to reach the paradise with the food. And see the cream inside, the dough is perfect. I don't feel that much the fried. Is a bit too sweet, but so good. And here we are in the little museum of Gamcheon village. And it's free.
Guys, we have just arrived at Gamcheon village and apparently it's the Machu Picchu of Busan. And this village used to be one of the poorest in the neighborhoods. But then everything changed, a feng shui project named the Machu Picchu of Busan.
So, here we have a roasted marshmallow with the ice cream inside. Me, I chose the vanilla flavor, but you can choose even the chocolate or strawberry one. Let's taste it. I'm not a marshmallow lover. I love the ice cream, so this combination for me is strange, but if you love the ice cream and if you love the marshmallow, this is perfect.
The history of the Gamcheon village, located on a city slope, goes back to the 1950s, when thousands of refugees from the Korean War from all over the country began living there, making it a large area of hurriedly built houses piled on top of each other on the hillside. Everywhere you turn, there's art and paintings that make the narrow streets look like a lively village.
And now we are inside of the Jagalchi fish market, one of the biggest and oldest fish market inside the city of Busan.
So how does it work, guys? You have on the ground floor the live seafood, and then you choose whichever you want. Then you go on the second floor at the restaurant, and they're going to cook everything for you, of course at an additional cost. actually on the second floor, and as you can see, the dry seafood here, and at the same time there's the restaurant too, so the people are cooking for you.
We will start our lunch with the sea urchin. For me, it will be the first time that I taste this. So, I'm sure it will be a good experience, I hope.
It looks like Carlo doesn't like it.
It's strange, it's super salty. It's not one of my favorite food. To taste one time, it's okay, but not a second time. So, and now it's time for the eel. Here we have a Korean sauce. This is very good. The sauce is amazing, not spicy, and the taste of the eel perfect. And this is the fish that we chose a few minutes ago. It's so fresh. The taste is delicate, it's very soft, very good. Perfect.
Here we have the octopus, and it's so jiggly, I can't even hold it. Okay, got it. So we're going to dip it a bit in the sauce. It's really chewy. That's good. That's one of my favorites. I've got my giant shrimp to taste today, and I'm so excited to eat it. Wow! This is so good! Definitely better than the octopus. So soft, and look at all this meat. Best. Perfect. My favorite until now. Guys, so I have a giant conch here, and we're going to taste it. It's a little bit hard at the very beginning and chewy, but then it's really good. It's really tasty. Giant clam and scallop. Busan Tower is the second highest tower in South Korea, and it offers amazing panoramic views. Unfortunately, we didn't have a chance to go at the top of it because it was really cloudy. So after our disappointment, we went straight to Songdo Beach. The Songdo Cloud Trails is located on the eastern side of Songdo Beach. Opened in 2015, the 365 meters long skywalk is built above the ocean with glass floor, giving us the thrilling experience of walking above waves. There are 2 statues on the small turtle island, remembering the local legend of a love story between the daughter of a sea dragon and a fisherman.
Guys, we're actually on the bay terrace on the 3rd floor, and we were really lucky because there was no queue at all for the cable car, and it cost 17,000 won for the cable car.
Guys, one of the most beautiful experience after taking the cable car was that viewpoint. But unfortunately, when we arrived here, was already closed. Information: the last enter it will be at 5:30 p.m. So remember it. Don't do like us.
Guys, even though it was a rainy day today, we did enjoy a lot, and the cable car ride is amazing.